My child, I know the darkness you've walked through, but even when you couldn't feel me, I never let go of your hand. This message is not a coincidence. If you're hearing this, it's because I, your God, have something urgent to tell you. You've cried when no one was watching. You've been silent while screaming on the inside, but I want you to know, I saw it all. I heard every whisper of your heart, and I was always there. You felt forgotten. You felt abandoned, but you were never alone. Even when the nights got long and the silence louder than any voice, I was holding your soul in my hands. My beloved child, the pain you've walked through was never meant to destroy you. It was shaping you. Every storm you faced had a purpose. Not a single tear you shed was wasted. I caught them all. I bottled them as evidence of your strength, your faith, your endurance. You thought I was silent, but silence is not absence. You wanted immediate answers, but I was building eternal strength. I let the weight press on you, not to crush you, but to carve out greatness within you. The fire you passed through wasn't to burn you, it was to refine you. You are being prepared for something far greater than you can understand right now. I don't make mistakes. And I didn't start writing your story to abandon it midway. The world may have turned its back on you. Friends may have walked away. Loved ones may not have understood your journey, but I did. I know the path you've walked, every lonely step, every sleepless night, every prayer you couldn't even find the words for. I heard your silence, I interpreted your tears, and I responded, just not always in the way you expected. You see, my timing is not like yours. I work in eternity. You look for answers in minutes. I move across lifetimes. But I never delay without reason. That closed door, I shut it to protect you. That opportunity you lost, it wasn't yours. That person who walked away, I removed them so they wouldn't destroy your purpose. Everything I do, even the things that hurt, are done in love, and nothing escapes my control. When you sat in the dark and asked, God, where are you? I was right beside you, whispering, keep going, I'm here. When you felt like giving up, I sent tiny signs, a kind word, a random song, a sunset that made you pause. Not coincidences, but confirmations. I was guiding your spirit, even when your mind doubted me. Your struggle hasn't gone unnoticed. Your pain hasn't been pointless. What you're walking through is sacred. You are being transformed, not just healed, but elevated. I am teaching you patience, resilience, trust. Not so you can survive, but so you can lead. You are not broken. You are being rebuilt. And what I rebuild can never be shaken. Others may not see what you carry. They don't know the battles you fight silently. But I do. I know the strength it takes to rise every day. I know the courage behind your smile. You think no one sees, but I see everything. And I reward the faith no one else acknowledges. Do not let the enemy convince you that you're alone. Do not believe the lie that I have forgotten you. I am still with you, and I always have been. In the deepest pit, I was your ladder. In the fiercest storm, I was your anchor. In the driest desert, I was your well. And in your darkest night, I was your light. Even when you couldn't see it. You may feel like everything is falling apart, but really everything is falling into place. I know what's ahead. I'm walking you into blessings that eyes have not seen and ears have not heard. Your delay is not your denial. Your brokenness is not your identity. Your struggle is not your final chapter. Trust me. Even now, especially now, I am restoring what was stolen. I am healing what was wounded. I am lifting what was crushed. Stay close. Keep believing. Your breakthrough is coming, and it will be beautiful because it was birthed from the battle. So now breathe, my child. The war inside you is not your end, it's your beginning. You are not weak for feeling tired. You are strong for not quitting. I chose you for a reason, and I am not done with you yet. Don't judge the story by the current page. The next chapter will shift everything. Trust that the pain has a purpose. Trust that the darkness has an ending. Trust that I, the God of the universe, have never and will never leave your side. When you feel unworthy, remember, I call you mine. When you feel unloved, remember, I sent my son to die for you. When you feel forgotten, remember, I carved your name into my palms. You are loved more than you know, held closer than you realize, and destined for more than you imagine. If this message touched your soul, it's because I wanted it to. And if you're still listening, it's because your spirit recognizes my voice. Now walk forward in faith, not because you see the way, but because you know the one who walks with you. I love you, God.